Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to defeat the Kraken in LEGO Pirates of the Caribbean step by step. Start by selecting a strong melee character and a ranged builder, then load the level near the Kraken spawn to collect studs and hearts. Approach the arena slowly and prioritize tentacle cores, dodge slam attacks, and switch to builders to repair or access elevated areas when needed for safe damage and clear progression. Positioning matters, so keep moving and use cover when the Kraken lunges to avoid heavy damage. Time heavy attacks after the Kraken finishes a swing to land critical hits without retaliation. Use builders to create platforms and reach glowing nodes, and alternate between ranged and melee strikes to manage distance while staying safe from area slams and surprise grabs for a steady, methodical takedown. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs and tips. Quick recommendation. I spotted a handy freshener on my drive, and it made long play sessions nicer, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresher ride during grind sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. You might like the combo, and now let's get back to the video. While fighting, keep an eye on puzzles that spawn during the encounter and solve them fast to reveal extra studs, chests, or weak points. Build platforms to gain height and strike glowing nodes on tentacles safely, and prioritize puzzle completion that grants temporary power-ups or invincibility frames that make timing attacks easier and reduce risk when the Kraken flips the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.